In this tutorial, we will show you how to create and pay invoices within your company. First, navigate to Finances and go to Receipts. Here, you will find two types of invoices, incoming and outgoing. The main difference between the two is that incoming invoices are those we send out to customers and are recorded as revenue. Outgoing invoices are bills we need to pay, such as internet or utility bills. Other than that, the process for handling both types is essentially the same. Now, click on Incoming Invoices. Then, click on Create. The customer type can be either a company or an individual. If the customer is not already in your database, select the customer type and click Create. Here, you can quickly add a new customer with their basic information. Invoices can cover anything, and if they are tied to a specific project, be sure to select that project. The bill number is the official number printed on the invoice you received or sent. The order number is an internal ID that links the invoice to another entity in the application, such as a purchase order you've created. The registration number is your internal tracking number. Please note that this is an internal convention, but you can enter these fields however you prefer. At the bottom, you will see the Required Authorization option. When enabled, this requires confirmation before proceeding. This confirmation can come from one or multiple authorized employees. If multiple people need to authorize an invoice, they each need to log in and approve the payment. Until they do, the option will be grayed out. Let's go over the invoice table. At the top, you can filter the invoices to find specific ones quickly. In this section, you can enter payment details and view the payment history. You also have the usual options to edit, delete, add notes, or print the invoice from the Action drop-down menu. The Authorized column will indicate if an invoice requires authorization. Finally, Repaid indicates that the invoice has been fully paid. This status is automatically marked when payment is confirmed. On this page, we will be authorizing the payment. The My Authorizations section shows receipts that you have approved, as well as those awaiting your confirmation. Now, let me show you how the payment process works. Select Pay and enter the amount that was paid. The Action button will turn green, indicating it is waiting for approval. If the invoice has been paid in full, the icon will change accordingly to the color blue. Lastly, if you want to export the data, you can do so easily with Excel. Let me show you quickly outgoing invoices so you can see that the entire table is the same. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or suggestions.